Handy Hudsonite here. As you can see, I'm wearing Apple AirPods. These are a great device, but they also have their drawbacks, and I'm going to share with you tricks to keep these running well and will save you a lot of money because I've had a lot of people comment on my AirPod videos that they were just about ready to throw them out, except one simple thing they could do to keep them running well. And I'm going to get into what that is along with some other tricks for your AirPods right after this. I've owned these AirPods for about a year now, and I have learned a lot about how they work, how they tend to not work. And I have some other videos on how to take care of these AirPods, primarily how to clean them. We all have varying amounts of earwax in our ears, and AirPods are notorious for collecting this earwax, especially on the front speaker here. That is where you're going to lose audio quality, and in some cases, audio completely. It will completely go away. And I've had hundreds of people comment on my video on how to clean these, so be sure to check that out, that they had saved hundreds of dollars because they were about ready to go out and get a new pair. They had been listening to their music or their videos in just one AirPod because the other one did not work. So what is the trick? And I made a couple of videos on this. It is to keep this front speaker clean, and be sure to watch those videos. It will show you exactly how to do that. It is imperative that you keep that clean. The other thing is you need to keep in mind that even though this pairs really well with iPhones, it has its issues with Bluetooth. And so be sure to check out my video where I get into different problem-solving techniques for audio when it comes to Bluetooth problems and other problems related to some of the other features in the AirPod, like the automatic ear detection. That can give some issues from time to time, as well as the microphone. But all in all, AirPods work really, really well. But I'd say the number one problem that I've seen, that you can see on my videos on my cleaning of AirPods that have thousands of views, that many other people have this problem with the earwax. So if you want to avoid the earwax completely, you can do what I do, is I always wear them with ear covers, and I will link up these ear covers in the description. You can also check out my video where I review these ear covers and give you reasons why I use them. These are very easy to put on. Unfortunately, you can't put these into the case with the covers on. You'll have to take them off, but once you get used to putting these on, they're very easy. The other thing is they have these tips on it, so it goes nicely into your ear canal, keeps them in, keeps them snug for exercise. It also delivers more sound to your ear, more bass. It does eliminate some of the outside noise. Now, these aren't active noise cancellation AirPods as the AirPod Pros are, but they will cut out some of that background noise. And I find these to be really comfortable. Now, they do have this ring here on these covers, but there are some covers that don't have this extra support ring, and I'll link those in the description too. I've never had to clean my AirPods when using these covers, but if you don't like the covers, that's completely fine. Just follow my cleaning technique and clean them on a regular basis. For some of you, it might be once a week. Others, it might be every 2 weeks. And do that properly. It'll keep your AirPods working in optimal shape. The other issue that tends to happen is the pairing issue with the phone, and that can be a number of different reasons why that happens. The trick to that is to toggle your Bluetooth on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android. Also, you might need to reset your AirPods now and then, just so that you can get a clean connection with your Bluetooth. I even had a viewer say that they forgot all the devices, other Bluetooth devices that were connected to their phone, and then reconnected their AirPods, and that took care of a lot of issues they were having with their AirPods: connection, stuttering, whatever it might be. So try that out. There's just a myriad of comments that I've had in my videos. I really appreciate what you've said, and I've learned a lot from you on how to get the optimal use out of these AirPods. Now, if you have imitation AirPods, a lot of these tips will apply to you as well. So keep using them, and with covers, you can get even more optimal sound out of these, and these are not quite as expensive as they used to be. And so be sure to pick up a pair and enjoy these, because they do have a lot of good qualities to them. I appreciate you watching this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel here at the Handy Hudsonite for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And don't forget that notification bell so that you can get my videos as they go up. And I'll see you in the next one.